Well, here we are. Got the fuel tank off. We're gonna open up this cover here and flush the whole transmission, drivetrain, clutch, everything. Whole kit and caboodle. Gonna flush it with kerosene, just like they did back in the old days. And here's the tank, side panels, doors, air bath. Spilled a little bit of oil right there, but not too worried about. That's the old kerosene filter. That's no longer hooked up down here. Oil filter, magneto, governor, radiator block, head. Two steering clutches on the floor. Two upper ones. They're about equal if you look at them. Right there, look at that boy, I got it. Tell ya. Well, we'll take that off and look and see what we get into. She was pretty dirty. I just got this not too long ago and haven't done much maintenance to it, so I'm just gonna do some maintenance and go from there.